Say, this video is a follow-up from the last video that I just posted. I was talking about that giant ceiling, and somebody asked me if I needed a control joint with this giant ceiling. And yes, absolutely, they're probably going to need a control joint in there to stop it from cracking, and that's what I'm going to talk about. Also, I've got a Facebook page now. It's called The Drywall Doctor on YouTube. Facebook, you can probably Google me and find me there. And then I have an Instagram account. I don't quite know how you can find it, but I'll also try to post a link to those on this video. And you see that picture behind me right there? That's a picture of the Anderson farm in Sweden. There's also a picture of my grandfather holding that picture, this painting with the farm behind him. So I just wanted to show you that too. So you guys have a good day. Thumbs up my videos if you like them. Thumbs up the videos if you like them, and share them, and you guys have a great day. Hey, I'm here still at the same job that I was showing you the butt joints on. I'm going to get this up pretty quickly too, but I just wanted to show you the distance of this room. And I told you I have like 20 12-foot sheets on top of the ceiling, but hang on, wait. This is a long way. That's 12. This is like 12, 24, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 feet from one wall to the other. It's going to crack. Somewhere along this line here, it's going to crack this direction. Has to. It can't go that far without cracking. So where it's going to, I don't know. I've told them about it. They said they'll deal with it when it happens. I don't think it's going to crack anywhere else. Everything else is under 24 feet, or it's right around 24, 25, 26 feet. But here it's 40 plus. So, but I was going to show you too, this ceiling is so flat. It is just absolutely gorgeous on how flat the ceiling is. I told you I boxed the butt joints down the center, and then I've ran all of the other seams, crossed it off, touched it up. It's ready to skim. I'm going to put a skim coat on this, and I'll sand it tomorrow. But man, it looks great. You guys have a good day. And we just want to say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say it louder.
Subscribe.
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 Did you want to say anything? Did you want to say that the Drywall Doctor is awesome?
The Drywall Doctor is awesome.
This is my grandson, by the way, and this is our next line of Drywall Doctors. You guys have a good day. Say it.
Have a good day.